Hey, what's up? What's up? What's good afternoon, good morning, good evening, wherever you're joining from. Hey, people said I will. Oh, I see. Good to see you guys. Chibuzo Oliver, good to have you. If you guys can hear me, let me know. Adeolu, hi, good afternoon. Good afternoon, my brother. How is it going with you? Hmm. How are you doing today? Let's go, let's go, let's go. Hey, Adeniyi, not Jimu, warm greetings. Yeah, thank you. I greet you too, sir. I greet you too, sir. I greet you too, sir. Let's broadcast that we are live. Owolabi Bidemi, good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, my brother. Emuka, good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon. So, guys, let's share the video. Let's like and share the video. Yeah. How is your trading going this week? We had an indoor session yesterday. Hope you are able to learn from it. Hope you are able to learn from it. Fantastic. Adeni Najim says, how can I be part of the next Trade and Chill section? I'm not the host, I'm just one of their speakers. Okay. I'm not their host. I'm not the host of the program. I'm only a member. Sorry, I'm only a speaker, sorry. Adeni Najim. So let me get this. MoneyGram, how you doing today? Kalu, I can hear you. Nice to join. Good to have you, Mr. Kalu. Great, 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 great. So tell me, guys, how's your trading been this week? How many trades have you taken this week so far? This week has been slow, and I told the people in the other flow chain strategy group that the week has been because there is no order flow for the week. So the week has been really very boring, like very boring. So if you are not careful, one will eventually trade when it's not meant to trade, and one can really be trapped in the market. And I don't like you guys to be trapped. So you want to leverage on knowing what is happening for the week before you jump in. It's going to help you. I've emphasized on that. Either you're using COT report, or you're using order flow, or you're using monthly order flow, or you're using index. You just need something that can give you a direction for the week before you put your money in. It will change your life, your trading forever. So it means that you're not dependent on your technical analysis alone, because that's what a lot of people do. They depend solely on the technical analysis, and they see technical analysis is powerful, but it's not consistent. So you see engulfing today, it gives you money. Tomorrow, it doesn't give you money. And you're like, but it's the same thing. So you have to be able to work with all of those things to help you. Adeolu says it is end of month wahala. Yes, there's always an end of month feel. Okay. There's also always an end of month feel. But what matters is what is happening from the institutions. Good afternoon, Mr. Mayowa. Happy to have you here. Thank you. Adiola Zenith, good afternoon. Sir, good afternoon. Good afternoon. The week has been doing good in the trade. Good. Godfrey says, good day, boss. Good day, sir. Celebrate you. Bernard, good afternoon. Good afternoon. Team, good day, boss. Good day. Good day. Good to have you guys. So let's all click on the like button and let us share. It helps a lot of people to see the analysis, what we have. So let's do that in a few minutes. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's everybody click on the like button. We have over 23, we have 23, 24 people. Let's have 23 people like right now. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's increase the like. Let's increase the like. Then we move into our analytics. Okay, thanks so much. Charles. Charles, how is it going with you? Mr. Charles, how is it going? Mr. Charles is in the other flow community. Hope it's making sense. Hope you are implementing. Good day, Wale Lawa. Hey, Apollos Johnson, good afternoon. How is Trinidad and Tobago today? So Charles says, I'm very well, thank you, sir. You're welcome, my brother. Uh, so let's get to work. JPY is weak. JPY is weak, and we need a retracement back here. So that's exactly what we are expecting on JPY. JPY has been weak and it's going to be weak till the end of the year. Okay, but we need to see a retracement. We need to see a retracement on JPY that will take the trade back up. But if you do this right now, is a counter trend. Is a counter trend right now. So my bias intraday, JPY weak. Okay. Sorry, JPY strong for intraday, sorry. But the bigger picture is weak. But if you trade it right now, it's going to be intraday. It's going to be counter trend, sorry. It's going to be counter trend. The reason is that the institutions are selling off JPY. And if they are selling off JPY, it means that all the JPY pairs will be buying. Now, the market has reached out for an extension. So we need to see a retracement before it can go back to the selling mode. So right now, the retracement is what we are going to be leveraging on. So no matter the strategy you're using right now, you would see the likes of GBP JPY pushing for a sell, Euro JPY pushing for a sell, CAD JPY pushing for a sell, Czech JPY pushing for a sell. Now, the sell that they are pushing for is not in alignment with the order flow, because the order flow is saying that we are selling. So you, as an intraday trader, you want to look for pairs that the institutions, that is in alignment with the institutions. So this is the report I posted for the, let me see. I need to hide some things so that the paid people will not be angry. Yeah, that's it. Good. So this week, JPY is potentially weak, but if you go to long term, the long term is telling us that we should look for buy opportunities. So the institutions are buying Euro JPY, GBP JPY, and the rest of the Ys. But if you go intraday, you will see that they are selling right now. So if you don't understand that there is always a time when the market is recouping for the next move, and there is always a time when the market is on the move. Now, when the market is on the move, that's what happened last week. So last week, Euro, GBP NZD, Euro NZD, GBP JPY, all of them, they were running to the sky. Like last week alone, using our strategy, for everyone that took that trade would have made over 137 risk reward last week. But this week, it is a week where there is a recouping, there's a reversal, there's a retracement. And if you want to trade in alignment with what monthly is saying, you don't want to trade in this kind of week, because what you now see is the market will be ranging. The market will be ranging, but you don't want to put your money in a ranging market. You want to put your money in the market that has the potential to give it to you. So we need retracement for GBP too. I told you guys about this monthly zone for a very long time, and I told us that this market has the potential to come to 122, sorry, 122 zone. So that's a lot. So that means that for the next 1, 2, 3, 4, for the next 8 months, we should not do any, we should not sell against, we should not sell USD. We should be buying them, because USD is going to be strong. So if USD is strong, when you go to EU is telling you to buy, you know that is a trap. You know that that's a trap, or it's just a short-term movement. So my bias for the week is bullish. I'm still bullish, but I need retracement right now, because this is a full impulse. There have to be retracement. Okay, that's why I trade daily charts. There have to be retracement. So euro retracement, NZD, we need to see retracement. AUD has been selling. I've been telling you guys about this since like since the month of March, February. Is sell. If you understand the order flow, you will understand, you will enjoy trading. Okay, so that's my bias for the week. Hope I've been able to help you. So where do we start from? What pair do you want us to take? Hey, Charles says order flow is making a lot of sense. I tell you, brother. So that you can trade smartly and you don't turn trading to work. You can trade smartly. Good to have you on, guys. Hey, David Overa Entertainment. Good to have you, David Oreva. Then we have Prime Forex. Good to have you guys on today. So tell me, when do you want us to start? The index is clear. Is the index clear? Oyenina Johnson says, good day, Bababa. It's a son. I greet you, sir. How is it going? So a lot of people are saying gold, Apollo's gold. Apollo's gold. Wale is saying we should do gold. You guys love gold. Hey. Inspiring Graphics says gold. Adeolu. So a lot of you are saying gold. So let's go and do gold now. Mr. Mayowa, I'm late. Sorry, sir. It's all right. Do you have recorded videos on order flow? Wish to go through it? It's in the course. It's in the course. Gold. Adeolu says gold. A lot of gold traders are in the house. Let's go and check gold before they come. They get angry totally. Gold, gold, gold. So let's go and do gold. Coming. Wale says, when we did webinar yesterday, it was gold that actually caused most of our losses. We still want to trade. We still want to trade that asset. I don't get. I don't get. So let's do it. Let's do it. Let's go and check what gold has for us. So this is gold. This is gold. This is the structure zone. This is gold. This is structure zone. This is gold. So the only thing to do right now is to sell. I'll be looking to sell gold from 2029. 2029. But sir, can there be a buy? You can buy. You can buy, oh, buy, oh, buy, oh, buy. Oh. You can buy. Or if you are buying, what are you doing, guys? If you are buying, what are you doing? Let me see, sure, if you guys. Godfrey says, seriously, the stupid gold took 7% from my account last week. No more gold for me. No, you need to trade gold. However, you trade gold when it's in alignment with the rules that you trade. So right now, if you buy, you are trading against the trend. That is it, my brother. Ebuka says no more gold. No, I trade gold, guys, but I only trade gold in alignment with the rules. I don't trade gold like G's. Don't trade gold like you get it. Just trade with the trend. DJ Elegant says trading against the trend if we are buying. Fantastic. So I don't want to trade against the trend. Is a good. If I want to buy, I'll buy here. This is the only place I will buy. And if it is a must, I trade gold. Okay, this is the only place I will buy. But I'll wait for the sell around 2030. 2030 will be a good place for me to sell. Yeah. Then I'll sell conveniently and I can load it well. Okay. So this is, some of you will say this is support. No, this is support, Sam. Why can't I buy there? Support is good. This is just put all those all those points there. But right now, I will not buy. I can only buy here. So let me put my reminder here. If I have to buy, and when it gets there, I'll still do my 1 minute confirmation or 5 minute confirmation. But if not, I'm more convenient to sell here. I think we are clear. I think we are clear with gold. I think we are clear with gold. What other pair? Joshua says N card, G card. DJ says NJ. Adeoli says Euro NZD. Adeola Zenith says GU. Opemipo says Euro card. So let's second. Let's second. Mm, mm. So let's do Euro and Euro card. Let's do Euro USD and Euro card. So this is the high for the low. And this is an interesting zone. Daily. So I'll rather wait for a sell to here. I'll rather wait for a sell here. I'll rather wait for a sell here. I'll wait for a sell from 110. I think I'm good here. 195, 500. I'll wait for a sell there. So if I buy right now, it's a counter trend. If I want to buy, I want to buy, I'll buy from all this place. That's where I will buy this cluster zone. So right here. So I can buy two here. I can buy. I can buy. I can't buy. So if I cannot buy, I cannot either sell because it's the only place to sell. So if you sell, yeah, sell. So something is come on, check here. So the challenge is maybe because we need to see a pullback right now. Mhm. Okay. So really nothing to do right now. Because if we can now catch this sell, we hold this sell till the end of the year. That's about 1,400. But right now we can't. We can't. So, Mr. Mayowa, what do I now do? I'm an intraday trader. Hmm. Can still be selling on lower time frame until it hits you out and it says it's not going again. Somewhere here, you can still look for sell. The same way sell worked here, sell worked here. So I don't see that happen. But that's my bias, and it's because of the way I trade. So that's the challenge. Maybe if I'm trading Fibonacci or all those things, I can pick trade. But right now there is no trade. Maybe we can risk some money here. Maybe we can risk some money here. Sell somewhere here because of this low high, low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Maybe we can risk some money here. It's going to be a short-term sell because there have to be a full retracement for us to be able to. Okay. But like I said, this is my zone. This is where I will come and put my money. The money that I worked for as a swing trader. Okay. Yeah. So this is one of the challenges when there is no volume in the market for the week and a lot of traders still want to trade. People just use that to lose a lot of money that they have made. Yeah. You make money for 2 weeks, you lose it back in 1 week because the market is not structured to give you that volume every week. We give you a lot of volume for the week, it will collapse, it will, accumulate it again, we distribute it again, it will accumulate it again, we distribute it again. So whenever it's accumulating, it is a ranging market. So depending on the type of person you are. Jalili says, good job, sir. Thank you so much. Opemipo says, Mr. Mayowa, how many trades do you take in a year on an average? My best trades are less than 10. My best trade. Last year, my best trade were just 7. And they were the best trade. 1 to 200, 1 to 300, they were the best trades. So, but since we've launched the intraday strategy, I've been trading more. As a matter of fact, I bought a funded account. I wanted to use it as a case study for the people in the community, and already I think we've done, that's not 10%, that's 2% of the account, about 2% of the account last week. And I didn't trade more, but there was so many trade. USD JPY gave us 1 to 39 risk reward last week. So but I didn't take it. But the people in the community took it. So I just want to use that account to shaping the people in the community, especially those that are in the order flow group. I'm only trading the rules of engagement, risking 0.25. Well, if I had risked 1%, I would have passed. But I'm risking 0.25% of the trade. Okay, I would have passed it. So for swing, my trades are limited for the year. For intraday, I'm beginning to trade more now, but it's just for the order flow. So we've analyzed Euro USD right now. DJ Elegant says is at the middle of an ocean right now. That is it. That is it. If it's the middle of an ocean, you have to wait for it. What time frame are you using for your analysis? I start every analysis from monthly time frame. I don't. Then once I've done that, I retain that for a long time until the zone that I've drawn has changed. Okay. Peter Umbugwa, thank you. Good to have you on. Okay. Great, 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 great. Okay, so we have EuroCard to analyze. We have a lot of people are saying EuroCard, so we'll do EuroCard. A lot of people's okay. Adeolu says EN, Bright says EA. I can't do everything. So we have to just, but when you understand my analysis, you would know that you, if I tell you AUD is weak, you know that across board is going to be weak, basically. Okay, so let's just stick to, then I also analyze, Okwemipo says GJ. So let's do Euro card. A lot of people want Euro card. David wants US 30. A lot of people don't do US 30 here. Great. So we'll do Euro card, we'll do GJ, then we'll do Euro card, then you do GJ. I think that's good for us. Then I can just add maybe US, so another 30 weeks. Okay, so let's go as usual. We'll go on a short break to tell you more about what you can get from us. The book that is on my mind that every one of you that you say you're following me should go and buy is Seven Battles Every Trader Must Fight and Win. If you tell me you're following me, you need to read this book. Hmm? You need to read this book. It's 5,000. Oh, this is wrong. Okay. I told them to drop the price for you guys. Let me get the admin to drop the price for you guys. It should be 5,000 naira, which is $7, about less than $10. So I want you guys to get this because it will help. A lot of you have been struggling, and one of the major reasons why you're struggling is because you really don't understand the business you're doing. I had to take time to check out my challenges in the past 10 years. My first 5 years, I told you guys, very horrible. The reason is that these battles, I was not aware about these battles. Okay. So it became, my trading became better off less than 4 years ago. Okay. So for me, those battles is what I see a lot of new traders face, and I want you to have it, not because you are going to buy it, but because it will help you. Okay. So I shared with you guys, and I didn't just share the battles, I shared the solutions, and not only my own solutions, a general solution that you can use with my own solutions. Okay, what I use to overcome it. One of the battles here is the battle of strategy. Some of you are still struggling with it. I broke down how you should list out your strategy, how you should follow it. I listed it in this book. So, and like I do tell you, every strategy works. You just have to know how to use it. It's like somebody who have not used a machine gun before, or a AK-47 before. No matter how you can deliver. So very important for all you need to buy this book. It will first give you a edge. I've told the admin to fix it. No matter pause trading and read this book. Pause your trading. If you have been losing, pause you know pause your trading, and pause your trading, and you'll be good with this. Once you overcome this, you can be struggling with it. If you don't know that is a challenge, you can be struggling with it. I've told the admin to fix the price so that you guys can get it. I'll tell her to drop the link in the Telegram group, so that, as a matter of fact, those that have bought it, we can still do a review for you guys. Let's do a review. We can have a Zoom meeting to do a review, because battles are really, really hard. The battles are there, and that is why you are not winning. Okay, that's why you are not winning. So I have 7 battles for you to buy. I have financial market code for you to buy. Then I also have the ITC, the order flow course. Okay, I've told the admin to give it for you guys for $300 instead of $500, which is very good for a lot of you that want to uh, that want to be able to win in the market. I recommend, the especially the what's it called, the prop firm. And I told you guys yesterday when we were having this private session, don't buy a prop firm account if you have not grown your account. Okay, a guy, one of my proteges still came to the office today. He's been buying prop firm account. He has bought 2 prop firm account. And I've told him, I said, stop buying prop firm account. If you have not grown $10 to $100, withdraw profit from me, fund again, grow. Know that you've understood you've mastered your strategy. That is when you should buy prop firm account. The same way you are blowing prop firm account is actually that you are blowing your trading account, and they have more rules. You are time bound. But if you fund your account with $100, instead of buying a funded account, you fund your trading with $100, you go into $200, you withdraw it, you buy funded account, then you still have your 100 account, your main account, you still keep going it. That one is not time bound. I want to beg you, okay, don't buy funded account. A lot of people are pushing funded account. People should buy. I beg you. It's not because of any reason. It's because you are yet to have the data to win funded account. You have not gathered experience. You don't know how many trades you need to win. You don't know, you have not mastered your lot sizes, you have not mastered your overhead, you've not mastered your risk management, you've not mastered your psychology, but you are on funded account. Those are the tools that is needed to win a funded account. And once you have mastered all of that, you are good to go. Okay, Okwebiko is asking how much is the COT report. The COT report is $147. Okay, it's usually $500, but I've told the office they should give it out for 197, not 147. I think it's 197. That's about $200. And in it, what I've decided to do is I'm teaching index trading, how to use index, how to use COT report. Now we've been implementing another one, which I would also add to it. It's just what you need to know before you enter the market, and you're good to go. So reach out if you're interested, and you're good to go. So let's go back to the chart. Whenever I'm talking about what will help, a lot of people always run away. They always just come and they'll still come again next week. They'll still have the same issue. You are coming to see doctor. Doctor is telling you the drug you should buy. You are running away. Well, next week again, you still come again. My trading is not well. Why will your trading be well? When the person that is telling you what to do, you are running away from the medicine that would, whenever I talk about books you should buy, you see the number, they will drop. I just laugh. They will come again next week. They'll come and see my chart again. They will still come again next week. You are coming for consultation session. They will give you solution. You will run away. And for people that are staying, I like you, I love you, I appreciate you. It's just for those that used to run away whenever I'm talking about what will help them. Okay? And they will still go and fund with $5,000, $2,000, then they will blow it, then they will still come. They will still come. Like that, my Ghanaian guy now. We spoke last night. I told him if he wants to do it, he has spent $16,000 on Profem. $16,000 on Profem. My private session is $5,000 that I give people discount. That's what I gave him then. He didn't, not even the $10,000. I gave him discount to pay $5,000, which is my private session. If you have followed my private session, it can never lose again. You might not project how much you will make, but losing is removed in your life forever. But imagine him losing that kind of money. So a lot of you are running away from what will save you. Then you now go and lose money again and again. Then you say something is not working. You need all of it. You need all of it. The first deliverance that saved me first, I bought a mentorship program worth $15,000 from a lady in South Africa. Then I bought another one from my mentor, a Pakistan. I paid for it. Then he gave me a lot of things to go and buy. I went online, I bought those things, and I stick. Since that time, since 2018, I got deliverance from everything. Today, if I chat my mentor, coach, I still need a session, he will answer me. But you don't have mentor, you don't have anything, you are not reading books that will help you. You will not. Why? You still come next week. You still want me to give you trade. I'll give you trade, but psychologically, strategy-wise, community-wise, mentorship-wise, who are you talking to when you lose a trade? Who is encouraging you? You need all of those things. They are the things that will help you. You want to make $1 million. You are not ready to invest $1,000. You want to make $100,000. You are not investing $500. That's not how it is now. Do you know how much I have made now since I have invested in my education? And I quite understand that some of you have bought so many things that didn't work. Yeah. And also I bought so many things that didn't work. And I realized that those things that I bought that did not work, it is me that did not work it. Come on, guys, type in I here. I was the one that did not work it. I did, because once I bought them, sometimes I didn't even finish reading them. I didn't even finish trading the strategy. I didn't even practice the strategy. I bought the strategy. They say it's working. Then I wanted results in 2 months. I didn't get the result in 2 months. I was thinking that the strategy was wrong. But whereas the person that I bought the strategy from is still using the strategy 3 years after, 5 years after. But me, I have dumped the strategy. I have dumped it. That's why I told all of you, all the courses you have ever bought, go back and watch them. Because go back and watch them, practice them, implement them for the next 3 months to 6 months. The reason why was not the reason why women will always wait for 9 months to give birth is because that baby must go through nourishment. That baby must go through complete processing. The baby must defecate in the mother's womb. Then it goes to the mother to pass. The baby must go through breathing process. The baby must go through all of those processes. Then after 9 months, the baby comes outside and the baby is sound. That is what you need. You need that nurturing part, that time that you will take the trade, you are wrong, you correct yourself, you take the trade, you are right, you celebrate, you take it again, you are wrong, you correct yourself, you tweak it, then it starts working for you. But it's a, I did an interview the other time. I asked all of those speakers. All of them, none of them started making money until after 2 years, 3 years. None of them. But some of you, you are here 3 months, you are here 6 months, you want the result. You have to learn higher than those people. And with that, you are fast tracking your learning curve. When you fast track your learning curve, you are good. But you are not fast tracking learning curve. You are seeing somebody post a Ferrari on YouTube, on Instagram. He just bought a house. Some of these people have grinded this thing. They've learned hard. You are not learning hard, but you want signal that they will give you that you buy car with. I don't understand. Car with signal. God is watching you on 7D. So guys, I don't know why today fine. The Euro XZD. Euro XZD. Euro XZD. Okay. Euro NZD. So we are buying from monthly. That's the range. Daily, what do you do? Range again. Hmm? Range. The range destroyed. Range again. Now, range again. So right now, this is a new range right now. So what do? I keep buying. Euro NZD buy. So I come to 1 hour. I keep looking for buy. No sell. Euro NZD buy. So if I want to buy Euro NZD, I'll prefer here. I'll buy here or I buy here. So for the market to keep going up. That's my take for Euro XZD. That's my take for Euro XZD. Is that clear, please? Is that clear? Good. So Euro card, so we can round up. Sell. So we need to see clarity for the buy. So if you want to buy, let's go to weekly and see if we can get a order block here. So I can buy from here. Because this is range. So this is a buy here to the top, then I sell off. So the move is not clear yet. So this is against the trend. I told them in the group, this is against the trend. It's against the trend. It's against the trend. So if it takes it up, good, but it's against the trend. It's against the trend. But one can still make money from it. So because we need to go up back to this place for the main sell. So this is the main issue. Trading against the trend. Trading against the trend is where is the challenge. So either you, because those that even try to trade against the trend here, you hit stop loss later. So either you trade against the trend or you wait for the market to retrace back for you. So that's my view, guys. For Euro card. That's my view. Have I helped you today? Have I helped you today? Have I helped you today? Fantastic. Fantastic. Let's go. Be consistent, guys. Be consistent. Just stick to the rules and be consistent. Stick to the rules and be consistent. And you can make it happen. Stick to the rules, be consistent. Okay? Please continue to knock it in our. Joshua say, yes, sir. Godfrey say, keep saying it, boss. I will keep saying it. I hear you, sir. Please continue to knock it in our head. I beg you. We'll keep knocking it, sir. We are here. Please, sir, explain why it's better to trade in higher time frame. No, it is not better to trade in higher time frame. It is better to have the overview. The reason why we trade on higher time frame is the overview. I don't trade on higher time frame. I trade on 1 hour, 30 minute, 15 minute, 1 minute charts, but I trade in alignment with higher time frame. Is that clear, Alex? Adeola, please. So the goal is not to trade on higher time frame. No, the goal is to trade The goal is to trade on lower time frame, not higher time frame. So please, this is very important. I'll drop the link for the group for you, for the books for you guys to buy before they change the price. Make sure you get the book because you need it. A lot of you need it. You are just struggling, And when you see a doctor, get the book, get the drug that they are recommending, so that you can be good. Hmm? So it's very important. It's very important. Can I trade $50 on a higher time frame? Yes, you can. Additional clarity on COT. Okay. I learn a new thing each time we have a session. Thanks. You're welcome, my brother. You're welcome. Okay, guys, I'll see you guys again next week. I will join I will join your group back. No problem. 777 video me. Yeah, that's it. 100% yes. Okay, so I've dropped the book for you guys. Opemipo, call the office line that you want to talk to me. Okay? Call the office line that you want to talk to. Okay, guys. Peace out. You didn't drop setup. You didn't drop setups on the group. Yes, because there's no setup right now. Except you want me to drop the higher time frame setup. Maybe the daily or weekly. That's the only thing. There's no setup right now. But if there's setup, I can drop some free ones for you guys. Okay? Peace out. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Cryptocurrency session. It's going to be amazing. It's going to be amazing. It's going to be amazing. For the first time, I'm releasing the 100x strategy to the public for the crypto group, and it's amazing. The training can do anything for you guys in crypto. So I'll see you guys tomorrow, same time, cryptocurrency. We're loading our portfolio right now. So if you're a crypto, see you guys tomorrow. We're going to talk about some new projects that I'm looking out for. And we're good. Peace out. Good day, guys.